gathering today, we're really not making a sort of a video for general purpose, but it might be useful. And I'd like to get it, we just have to be natural, as if we, so can cut parts out as necessary. We were having the conversation before we started recording about, the iterations, moving next steps of building a brand, building a following, building a community. And I was trying to draw the parallel with one of my other big interests, which is Lean Six Sigma and operational excellence and continuous improvement. There's a whole community of professionals around that had a hunger for a sense of community, but also to share ideas, to share business opportunities, to share, for example, training opportunities and coaching. You can build a similar community around blockchain. That is, everybody in the community sees that they can benefit from it, but it's a win-win situation. So it's not just, it's not a zero-sum game or anything. It's everybody benefits from it. And so the companies that are using our services are benefiting because they are learning and growing. They see an opportunity for growth. That's what every company, the bottom line, Tristan, is everybody wants to grow.
Right.
And everybody's looking for, how do you grow? What's the next thing? What's going to take you to the next level? So community, or our communities, helping these companies to seeing opportunities to grow. But then everybody that's part of the community is going to also grow with them. Because if you, for example, run a podcast and you're part of our community, your membership for this podcast is going to grow. You might be selling advertising on this podcast and you want to get more people listening to your podcast. Well, if they're part of the community and they're doing our training services and they're using your services, or you might be an academic in a university doing research into blockchain, you need people to feed your research because you want people to provide you data. And that happens a lot, actually. We get a lot of academics. Go ahead, Josie, you're an academic. Yeah.
Yes, it was how I create my own data to finish my PhD. We didn't have data in that time, so I used my personal networking, asking interviews, my survey, to asking a lot of things that it was completely nonsense in that moment, because we are talking about 2018.